In this tutorial, we are going to build a contact form which we can put on our site using just HTML and CSS, not JavaScript. This contact form will be able to collect input and info, and whenever the user click on send, the info here is sent directly into our mail, either Gmail or email. It is fully responsive on both desktop, tab, and mobile, as you can see here. Fully responsive, and we get the message into our mail here. As you can see, hello there. So without further ado, let's get started. Our index. So we start by getting our index.html, style.css, and the image ready. You can use any image in your gallery, and if you want to use this, or if you want to use this, you can get it in the code base, which will be linked in the description. So we'll get started by getting the doc type of the HTML. We change this document here to contact form. Contact form. We link our CSS. And then in the body, we have a div of container class. And inside this container, we have another div class of contact box. And inside this contact box also, we then have the class div of left, and also the class div of right. So in this right is where we have our form tag. So in our form tag, we're going to have h2. This h2 we say contact us. And under this our h2, we have input with the type of text. We give the class of field. Placeholder of your name. We copy this and paste it twice. And we change this to your email. This one to phone number. So under this input, we have our text area. The text area here, we have the name. Can leave the name. You can just put the name of message either way. You can put the name of message. So we have the class of field and the placeholder of message. And under the text area, we will have the button. This button, we have the type of submit. The word of send. And this is all we need. Okay, yeah, we still need to add a class here. Sorry, class of btn. This is all we need for our our HTML. So we can check this out. In our CSS, in our browser here. So clear all of this. Sorry. so we can check it out in our browser. So the next step for us is to go to the styles.css, and then in our style.css here we do the global selection, and then the margin should be 0. The padding also should be 0. Box sizing, border box. I can send the font family here. So let's just system. I usually use system. So we'll just use the system usually. Then the body. On our body, we have the height of 100 ph, width of 100%. We have the container. Select the container CSS class. Sorry, container class. We get the position of relative. The width of 100%. The height of 100%. And the display of flex. Justify content of center. Align items of center. Padding. Top and bottom 20 pixel. Left and right 100 pixel. Now that we're done with the container, we try to place the image, so we use the pseudo class of after. We are placing the image at the background. So say content image blank, and then position absolute, width of 100%, height of 100% also, left 0, top 0, background. So this is where we select the image. Say URL. What's the name of the image? Once I select the image, you say background size should be cover, and also z index should be -1. We can check it. Let's check it. Hopefully, as you can see, this is it here. We can then see we should blur it. Say filter should be blur 50 pixel. So let's see. It is now blurred out. So the next thing we do here is select the contact box class, the class of contact box. So selecting this, give it the width, say the max width of 850 pixels. The display of grid template columns. You repeat. I don't know why I'm making a mistake. So justify content should be center. Align items also center. Text align same center. Then the background color should be of white. You can see here it is. The grid has divided this into two. We give this box shadow. And select the class of left. Give it the background. Include the image, you know. The image say Bruce. Let's see. The image is not here yet, sorry. So you say no repeat. Did we use no repeat the other time? Supposed to put no repeat here also. No repeat center. Okay. And just copy it when it is you. No repeat center. And under it is the background size also should be cover. It is still not there. So we have the height of 100% and the width of 100%. Now let's check it. Okay, now it shows. So right now, what you need to do is select the right dot. So on the right side, give it a padding of 25 pixels. Top and bottom 40 pixels left and right. Then select the H2 tag, say H2. Do the position of relative. Padding 0, 0, 10 pixel. And the margin bottom of 10 pixels. Then the serial number for the H2 after. Say content position absolute left 50 pixel bottom 0 transform, say translate x minus 50%, and then the height here should be 4 pixel, the width 50 pixels, border radius 2 pixels, background color, give it this greenish background color 2 667. So this is this bottom line here. So after that, we select the field field class, and we say the field class width should be 100%, and the border should be of 2 pixels solid, and the RGB 0000, and the outline should be none. Background color, padding of 0.5, and then you say font size, margin bottom 22 pixels, transition 0.3 seconds. Also give it a border radius of 5 pixels. So after the field, let's say when you over the field over, give it a background color of RGB. So the text area also. Select the text area. This is just area minimum height. Of 150 pixels. Border radius of 5 pixels. Then select the button class. Give this the width of 100%. The padding of 0.5 rem, 1 rem, 1 rem. Background color of that this green, and color also we'll give the font size of 1.1, and the border should be none. Outline also none. Cursor should be pointer. Oh, sorry. The transition to take place 0.3 seconds. Border radius 5 pixels. So when we over on the button, you give us a background color of a little bit darker green. A little bit darker green. So when the field also is focused, when we're focused on the view, like we're writing something in the field, typing into it, should give us a border of pixels solid. Okay, and the background color, wait, sorry, background color of this white. So that is that for it. Let's check it out. All right, right now everything seems okay and cool with our image and all. So let's make it responsive for smaller screen and media screen. Max width, sorry, max width of 880 pixels. We should have the contact box. The temperature across one, and also the left should have the height of 100 pixels, 200 either, and the container, select the container. Should have the padding of 10 pixels. Let's just say 10 pixels, and let's check this out. So say, something is wrong with our button. Check this button. 0.5. Okay, it is working now. So let's inspect. Oh, sorry. All right, this is it. It is okay on the mobile. So the next thing for us now is to add the functionality whereby once we send, it should be able to go into our email. So we'll come here, I'll go to form spray. Come here to form spray. And if you haven't registered, click on get started. Since I've been registered, I click on sign in. I'm in here. Click on create new form. You can create your project here. You name it. Okay, contact project. Say contact 2, and then you put in the email where you want the mail to be going to, the form's info to be going. So create form. Form has been created. You copy this and you put it in your action. Come to your index.html, to your form, you paste it into your action, and in front of your action you put in method, and this method say post. Right, see here it is in the example here. So you create post. So you come to your form, reload, and put it, test it out. And just putting it in so you can test it. Phone number, you can, now we are testing. Hello dear. I click on send. So it has successfully submit our um it has successfully submit our form. So click on go back. So I can check this in my email. See here, this is it. This is it. This is the message. Hello here. And this is it. And you can come here to check the submissions. So this is the message. Hello there. It has been processed. So guys, that is how to get it done. Thank you for watching to the end. Subscribe and follow for more.